Steve and Jill here.
And we are here to talk to you about Career Path. Number 3 is coming your way starting in January of 2022. Here's the scoop. There are only 15 seats open.
Look, this is a really intimate way to get access to Jill and I specifically live for 10 weeks straight.
Yep, it's 10 weeks of customized education tailored directly to you. It doesn't matter whether you're brand new to this or you're a seasoned investor going to take it to that next level.
Each one of these Career Path sessions, this is number 3, takes on a life of its own. What we're finding is instead of presenting a rigid way, there is content material. So it's 10 modules, but we're finding that certain people that join Career Path have very specific needs and customize. They're in just separate places in their career. Mm-hmm. You might be brand new. You might be doing 100 deals a year and you want to do 1,000. Mm-hmm. And so I can tell you this for sure. Each session contains weekly office hours and many, many, many hours per week of access to Jill and I as needed.
Yeah, we're talking one-on-one time, not only with us, but our data pro. We have back-end specialists available to you. We have experienced investors joining in with us to help answer your questions because they've been there. We're going to help you set goals and get you where you want to be. We're going to take deep dives into your business and go over pretty much anything that you want. Mm-hmm. There are special sessions included with our transaction coordinator. That's new that we've added this year. We've also have a direct phone line for you to access our team, get front of the line, whatever you need, and that's forever, not just during the time that you're within the Career Path. And at the end,
you will be added to the advanced group forever. We meet once or twice a month right now. Again, that takes on a life of its own. Also, look, here's the thing. You want to commingle with people who are making millions of dollars doing this? This is it. This is the way to do it. And it's not just us. It's other people in the group that we have. They're helping us in let's just call it teacher's aid situation where ask them questions, ask them how they started. We're certainly going to answer it and learn from us, but there's other people that bring a lot of value to this.
Hey, seats are filling up fast. And there is an interview process. So if you are interested, please visit www.landacademy.com/career path. For more details, it'll give you the schedule, the timing, how to apply, and everything else that you need to know before you join.
I'll tell you what, this is one of my favorite things about Land Academy is teaching this class.
I'm excited too. Hope to see you there.